How to turn off voice messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Scroll down and turn off the Enable Dictation option in the English section. Tap on Turn off Dictation to confirm. You can also choose to disable other options like Show Math Results, Smart Punctuation, Delete Slide to Type by Word, and more. Alternatively, go back to the Settings back and tap on Apps at the end. Type in Phone in the search bar and tap on it. Here, scroll down to the Calls section and go to Call Forwarding. Once you're here, make sure that the Call Forwarding option is turned off. Following these steps, you can easily turn off voice messages on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.